Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw resume data from Google Drive into Canva for edits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Drive in your web browser. Locate the resume file you want to edit. Right-click on the resume file. Select the download option from the drop-down menu. The file will be saved to your computer, typically in the Downloads folder. Next, open a new tab and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Import File. A file upload window will appear. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the resume file you downloaded earlier. Click Open to upload the file to Canva. Once uploaded, you will see the resume appear in your Canva workspace. Click on the resume to open it for editing. Make any necessary changes to the text, layout, or design. Utilize Canva's tools, such as fonts and graphics, to enhance your resume. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download to save the updated resume to your computer. Select your preferred file format, such as PDF or PNG. Click the Download button to finalize the process. Your enhanced resume is now ready for distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.